Hi, my name is George Pedgios and I'm a licensed hypnotherapist and master NLP practitioner at helpmypain.com.au, where we help people with chronic health problems including chronic pain, chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, as well as irritable bowel and other syndromes. A few weeks ago, I wrote a few words about an article I saw in New Scientist, which I would encourage you to read. It's titled, "Why the Medicine You Take Could Actually Be Bad for You." This article certainly highlights a major problem in our health system, and I had some further thoughts about it after a client recently mentioned that she believed that she would have to take medications, in her case for anxiety, for the rest of her life. It was as if it was her fate. Although there has and always will be an important role for pharmaceutical products in the health and well-being of everyone in our society, with the huge amounts of money involved and kickbacks and lobbying that is done, it is a system that is out of control, which is impacting everyone. Drugs are being rushed to market without proper research and trials. Often research is not conducted properly, including careful selection of which results to be used and which results to be discarded for submission to publication. Also, statisticians can manipulate data so as to send a particular message to the audience, whatever audience that may be. As well as not being ethical, it really is not sustainable for our society as a whole. From the side effects and unhealthy reliance this creates at the individual level, to the economic burden this has to the society as a whole, a different approach needs to be taken. What has been getting a lot of attention lately is the role of placebos in medical trials. People really thought this was all just about feeling better, but it is very real and very measurable. Just to bring one study to light, Dr. Ted Kapchuk, in his article Placebos Without Deception, shows that people intentionally told they were receiving a sugar pill were cured of IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. This has been duplicated elsewhere. When they were doing the research on Rogaine that helps with regrowing hair, men taking the sugar pills actually grew hair. When you think about it, that sounds crazy, but it only goes to show how much potential, how much healing we each have inside of us. As I've mentioned many times, I consider the pharmaceutical industry important in saving lives and making people healthier and more comfortable. There have been many positives, but with it has become an over-reliance of people on that magic pill. People have lost that drive to be in control of their health. The major predictor on how someone heals or cures from a serious illness, what conventional medicine calls spontaneous remission, is directly related to how they ultimately take control of the situation. I have now seen dozens of people who, coming to see me, couldn't seem to be able to break through with dealing with chronic illnesses, including chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, as well as type 2 diabetes. This is not only associated to conditions related to letting go of anger and guilt, but especially true of diseases related to lifestyle choices, which impact the health of so many in the form of cardiovascular and lung diseases. Strategic hypnotherapy is a powerful tool, which in as little as 3 sessions can make a significant change to behavior and decision making. Hypnotherapy has been able to not only change physiology, but shift thinking, refocus the mind, and adopt useful behaviors and discard those that are no longer served to benefit. I really am amazed at how powerful this is. It really is like the placebo effect on steroids. Hypnotherapy is the original healing therapy, and in my mind, my experience, the best. If you would like more information about how hypnotherapy can help you take control, change your life or that of someone you know, don't hesitate to contact me through helpmypain.com.au. I would like to thank you for watching, and as I say, hypnotherapy isn't magic, but there sure is something magical about it. Thank you.